The 96th Annual Louisiana Farm Bureau Convention is taking over New Orleans this weekend. Josh Meny is there, and he talked with Louisiana beekeepers about a controversial project that may eliminate a primary food source for some bees.
For 30 years, the Chinese tallow tree has been an invasive species that has rapidly spread across the state. Much of the forest and timber industry want to see it eradicated.
Well, the issue is that there is a research project going on, and it's being vetted in Washington, it's being discussed here in Louisiana, to utilize the flea beetle to basically attack the sprouts of the Chinese tallow tree.
That beetle has been combating the Chinese tallow in its homeland for centuries. But if it's introduced into Louisiana, a concern is it might kill multiple plant species.
We're afraid, particularly some of the ecologists, that it might have unintended consequences. Early testing has been very positive that it shouldn't have, that there's a low risk of it causing problems. But we know based on previous introductions of biological controls that only about 10% of those have been 100% effective.
That's why the Louisiana Commissioner of Ag and Forestry proposes that the flea beetle is first introduced into a closed greenhouse before it's set loose into Louisiana.
That's why we need to have that data and the proper peer-reviewed research to make sure that if it stays contained, it's contained one to the species. But the other part is, how do we coexist together? You know, how do we work to eliminate, eradicate, or at least reduce the population of this invasive species without harming our bees?
One Jennings beekeeper is concerned that if introduced, the flea beetle will kill the primary source of nectar for his bees.
There was a time when tallow trees were an aggravation to me because they grew so prolifically. But after I became a beekeeper, I realized that they made a tremendous amount of honey, and very tasty honey. And so I see them as something important that we probably should leave in our environment.
But Hoig understands how other farmers would like to see the species destroyed.
Most of the farmers in my area are monoculture farmers that grow one particular crop, like rice or soybeans, and they don't like the Chinese tallow tree to come up on their levees or in their fields.
In New Orleans, Josh Meny, KTC TV3.